The form of the present simple. We form the present simple by putting the verb on the base form, after the subject, and sometimes by adding s to the verb. We add s to the verb if the subject is a third person singular, he, she, or it. Some examples of base form verbs: eat, like, crash, fly, etc. With I, they, we, and you, the verb will always be on the base form. I write the homework every day, or we write the homework every day. On the other hand, if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s to the verb. So if the subject is I, we say I play with the ball, but if the subject is he, we say he plays with the ball all the time, or she plays with the ball all the time. In some cases, we add es instead of s to the verb. Typically, these are verbs that they end with these letters: o, ch, sh, th, ss, gh, and z. He goes to school every morning. As you can see here, we added es to go instead of s because go ends with o. So he goes to school every day. In other rare cases, if the word or the verb ends with y, we replace the y with ies. The bird flies in the sky. Here are some examples of verbs that are used with he, she, or it. So write becomes writes, go becomes goes, and cry becomes cries. In the present simple, sometimes we can use verb to be as a main verb instead of action verbs. For example, I am a teacher. We use am with I. He, she, or it is old. We use is with he, she, or it. They, we, or you are doctors. We use are with you, we, and they. Here we used you as a plural form, but sometimes we can use it as singular form, like you are a doctor.